Hello guys, welcome to Mobile Technical Star YouTube channel. And today I'm going to tell you how can defeat Widow. So first of all, here you have to upgrade the blood repair. Okay, so you have to upgrade it 3, or you can upgrade this one, Harbinger Say, or maybe battle hammers. Okay, with your coins, and you have to upgrade it at 3, because while widow is very difficult than waves, so you have to upgrade like that. So here hello Aegis, you have to upgrade it 3, or dragon blood, upgrade it 3. Okay, you have to purchase at first time, so I purchase it with this one, hello Aegis. Okay, then samurai helm, you can upgrade it 2. Okay, in order, so it's look like that, upgrade 2. Okay, and range weapon, ancient chakram, upgrade it only 1, that's the level will become 2. Or lunar knives you can order, or you can this one. Okay, and your magics will be fire pillar, or maybe this one lightning arrow. Okay, I get this magic. Okay, so I can, and in each sword there will be, in each weapon there will be a source of enchantment, then it's possible, then you can get damage to defeat him, to defeat widow. Okay, so uh, because it's very powerful. So now I am going to tell you about specific of widow, because if you accept the channel challenge, they see widow accepted your channel, and you have to click on fight here. So if you defeat him, you get this seal. Okay, orange seal name it is. So what will happen, these two fans is look like a skyline. Okay, I fight, and you see such a powerful young man, you will be a perfect addition to my collection. Okay, fight my magic all you want, I like the struggle. Okay, fight forever, what is his going. He didn't know that how can I defeat with him. So let's use C. Uh, I give you okay, and Shadowbox's widow. So this is greatest Temptation level. Okay, so he uses magic which he can invisible, and he come towards you. Okay, and he use this magic, and he use fire pillar, then many magics widow use. Okay, so round 1, wow, it's look like very sims, and you see, and he have regeneration. Okay, if you defeat, if, and he also have regeneration plus life steal. Okay, and now you see I return damage because I have damage. Oh, yeah, and he have life steal. If he hit like this way, oh, and you see again he is life steal enough, and now I want to use my magic. Wow, yeah, and I have blood, so I won this round because I have damage. Yeah, and you see I have bleeding to defeat him, and first round I won. There are three round. Each round you have to defeat. Okay, so you see first round I have won. Okay, so that is his life steal. Now you see which I defeat, that he trans opposite. Okay, oh no, yeah. Whoa, and this magic is very powerful. Okay, so you see that when I defeat him, towards him, uh, he's see that what he do. Oh, and his magic is this one, and you cannot defeat that magic, and because of another damage return, I own this round. Okay, guys, so you have to upgrade it like this, then you can defeat him, and if you didn't upgrade only 1 2 may right maybe, then you also defeat widow. But uh, because of that you have to use the and so what will happen, then you can defeat him if there is enchantment set up there. Wow. And you see, yeah, and I won the last round also. And here is unstoppable. Oh no, sorry, it is no hard to break. Now you see, I get this one, and price is 3 diamonds, and my style is this one. Means I have upgraded my level. Okay. So here you see widow. How does it feel to defeat a woman? Or you? You are the one who will close the gates of shadow. You have no idea how quickly their power will tear you apart. Okay? Yeah, orange seal, a mysterious orange seal owned from widow in her deadly combat. Take the seal. You have to take seal. Sly, I am feeling a bit dizzy, okay? May. Okay. And Shenshi, stay focused. The gates of shadows are closed. There may be a strange frightening this ahead for us, but we not be failed. And you see the gate of shadow started to closed. So here you see Sogan Act 6 Iron Reason. You see how this, okay? Not bad. You have reached a new level later. So what will be given? Here you have to download the site of Iron Reason. Then you can defeat. So you have defeat widow. Thanks guys for watching today's video. These type of interesting videos, if you get, then subscribe my YouTube channel and also press the bell icon, and go to the comment section and please comment me, then I will make this type of videos again once a time for you. And also earning application plus give plus unboxing review and testing of unboxings video will also I upload since the lockdown is over. Okay, thank you for watching today's video. Bye bye.